This is David J. Babel. I am in San Juan, Puerto Rico, as an attendee with the National Association for Consumer Bankruptcy Attorneys. This is the place where I have developed my expertise over many years. I've been practicing nearly 34 years, and I have attended these workshops and conventions since 1994. What is this all about? It's to help consumers who are in financial debt to wipe out or to manage their debt. This particular convention also gave special consideration for the new rules and regulations issued by the Department of Education in conjunction with the Department of Justice to help people with their student loans where there is undue hardship. This is something that is a development and will be developing over the next several months, and we will be there to help all those who can qualify under these more progressive, more liberalized rules in order to get out of their student loan debt. Once again, my office will be there, as we have been there, and we will be there for all those debtors, people in financial situations where they will need help with the federal rules of bankruptcy, and we will continue to help the many thousands of people that we have helped over so many years.